It's been a long time that we haven't done one of these videos where I just walk and I talk to you. So I'm on my morning walk, going to UPS to drop a package. I said, you know what, because like we have a couple of boxes, wholesale products that we prep from here, from Miami, and I'm going to drop them at UPS, and like we have one box ready. I said, you know what, I'm going on my morning walk, let's make it like actually productive and like drop one of these boxes. It's small boxes, right? But I wanted to make this video because like, you know it, like in the last year, especially like this year in 2026, I've scaled my business tremendously, right? All the products I'm working on, the one that you know of and the one that you don't know of, right? So the Amazon business, the coaching business, which is a business as well, right? We're spending a lot of money growing this business right now. So like, and not only those, by the way, but like the business that you don't know of, I'm running right now, right? The projects, I should say, you don't know I'm running. So one thing that I've been telling you guys this a lot, right? One thing is that the bigger your business becomes, the bigger the amount of bullshit you need to deal with is, right? And I'll tell you, right now, as we've scaled like all these projects, right? And as we're making them bigger, right now, the amount of bullshit I'm dealing with is humongous. Like, you would not even believe it. Like, there are stuff that I can literally not tell you right now about some projects that you don't know of, right? Because the amount of pressure, the amount of bullshit, but also the amount of pressure that you get on is unbelievable, right? Like to be honest, like it got me to think actually at this point, because it's been a long time that I haven't been scaling aggressively, like projects aggressively like I've been doing. And like it got me to think like, you know, like how much pressure can I actually handle? Because like right now I'm uncomfortable, like I'll tell you. I'm uncomfortable because of the things that I need to do right now, right? But it got me to think and be like, yeah, so actually like, how much pressure can I actually take? How much of this can I actually make? And like, the main thing that you need to know is that if you're not uncomfortable, you're not growing. You're absolutely not growing. And one story that I often tell is like, when I actually got to Miami, when I got my first car here, whenever my tire, like I blew up a tire on my car, right? I just literally had to like buy, I forgot how you call that in English, but the thing to like get the car up, right? Because I did not have one in my car and I just had to replace the tire, right? And the first time it happened, I was devastated. Because like I was supposed to go run some errands and like, you know, do some side hustles to actually like put money in my account. And I was like, yeah, I'm not going to be able to work today. I'm out of $50, like tonight, it was the night. I'm out of $50 because I cannot work this tonight, right? Like $5,100. What the fuck am I going to do? Like I need to replace this shit. Is going to cost me like $100 for the thing. That's going to cost me like $50 for a used tire, right? And so I was out like maybe $150, $200, and I was devastated, right? Now, when you look at things, I'll tell you, the number are legit. Like right now, the issues that I'm dealing with, the numbers are 1,000 times bigger. Okay, so we're talking 6 figures. And it just means that you grow, right? Like, if it's stressful, it's okay, I'm not that stressed just yet. But like, if you're stressed, if you're like anxious, all these things, if you're under pressure, one thing is true, it means that you're growing, right? So yeah, if you're going through something like this, you're in a good place. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say with this video. If you're not, you're probably not pushing enough, which is fine if you just want to relax for a little bit, right? But like, it means that you're not growing as much as you could right now, right? So just wanted to make a video like this because it's been a while that I've made a video like this, right? You know, like those more relaxed formats, talking about what's going on. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.